Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add a bio on your Twitch account. So first of all, launch Twitch application on your mobile devices. Once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here at the top right corner of your screen, tap on the option of Edit Profile. Now, once you come here, scroll down below and you'll see the category of Bio. Tap on it. Now, simply enter a bio you wish to add to your profile. After that, tap on the option of Save at the top right corner. With that, you will successfully be able to add a bio to your Twitch account. So, that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.